toward your strength. Take a shot. You're gonna need an awful lot.
Hey, it's Don, the Auction Professor here. Today we're going to give you the top 20 items to sell on eBay for Halloween. Let's look at those items right now.
Mind stand. Do you dare pit your sanity against our marathon of fright?
So here we are with paper mache lanterns. These are one of the most common items you can find that will still get you a few $100. It's paper mache body with paper eyes, and a little candle would have went inside, and kids would have walked around carrying these. They were very popular from the 1920s all the way up into the 50s and 60s until they switched over to plastic. This one went for $350. Next area are books and magazines. Anything with a Halloween title that's vintage, say 1950s or before, can hold money. Books are just a prime example. It's the artwork and the stylization of the cover that makes the most difference. This one went for $383.50. Next item here is a Lemax Spooky Town set piece. There's a whole bunch of these that are out there right now. You can still find them new in the box. They usually all sell for some decent money. This one lights up and spins and moves, and it went for $399.99. Next area would be disposable items from Halloween, such as crepe paper bolts, paper plates, paper cups, napkins, paper tablecloths. All of this area has a huge collectible market. They usually have graphics that are just incredible, such as this one here, and this one went for $423. Next area are artist-made objects and decorations. This is just a perfect example. This is a studio item from Bethany Lowe. There's many other different varieties. Jim Shore is another example that did Halloween art and decorations such as this. This one went for $501. Next item would be antique and vintage photographs of Halloween events, such as this party here, and there is a jack-o'-lantern on the table. Just a really great example, something you won't find very often. Any of those decorations would have carried a value as well. Those are basically lanterns, also the pumpkins you see on the table. This one went for $501. Next things to sell would be posters, prints, and lithographs. It's a huge category. This one just happens to be from Walt Disney World's Halloween weekend. They still do events like that now. Many other parks do them, local areas and such forth. As long as the graphics are nice, most of them will carry a value. This one went for $500. Next area would be cards and invitations from Halloween from days gone by. This one's from the 30s. This is a Denison. This single invitation went for $549. Really great example of the era. Nice graphics, nice condition. Just a perfect example of what to sell for Halloween. Next area are tin decorated items for Halloween. This one just happens to be a noisemaker, but there's many other items such as pails, toys, wind-up things as well. This one went for $566.56. Next thing you can sell are vintage pins of Halloween. Now, this is a Disney pin, but Tiffany, many other stores and locations made them as well. There's hundreds of different varieties of Halloween-related pins. Some can go for insane amounts of money. This one here went for $599, and it's nowhere near the most expensive Halloween pin you could sell. Next things to sell here are statuaries and figures, even including blow mold Halloween items. They all sell for decent money. This set is early 1920s or 30s, and it sold for $599.99. Another area of items to sell would be these inflatable outside decorations. There's a whole field of these. You can get them new, you can get them RA, you can find them at garage sales and auctions. This one here went for $599. Other things to sell would be life-size figures, whether animated or not. They sell all the time. There are tons of them up for sale right now. This is a prop. It comes in a smaller box. It's something you would assemble, and it's sold for $600. Here's another vintage item that sells all the time for Halloween. It's a candy container. Now, this one's a Rosin Brothers, but it doesn't matter the manufacturer. Any vintage candy container, celluloid or plastic, will sell for some good money. This one went for $895. Another area of items you can sell would go for haunted houses, such as this squeeze room here. This person sold 4 of these for $899, and it's still a little ways off from Halloween. Other items that sell are anything related to the Haunted Mansion from Disney World. Now, this is a Hawthorne Village item, but again, it's tied to the Haunted Mansion. It's a miniature replica of the Haunted Mansion. So anything with Haunted Mansion do sell for some good money. Most any item related to the Haunted Mansion will sell. This one went for $899. A whole nother line of items are dolls that are related to horror movies, or dolls in general that are horror in nature. This is Annabelle from the first Conjurer movie, but there's other ones such as Chucky or some of the Twilight Zone dolls or things along that line. They all sell for some good money. Many of these are up right now. This one went for $1,350. Another awesome area to sell things are masks and Halloween costumes. This is Klaus Kinski's Nosferatu costume. It's the mask and the hands from the classic 1920 silent film. This one went for $1,950. This is a Don Post version, but there's many other versions. Halloween costumes in general can sell for some insane amounts of money. Another incredible area to sell for Halloween are decorations that were made to hang on walls and in windows. This is a pressed cardboard devil winged bat figure from Germany, probably circa 1910, 1920s. Just an awesome collectible item. These always sell for some incredibly high amounts of money. This one went for $2,376. And the number one area to sell items in my opinion, for Halloween are postcards. It's an area that I actually create my own artistic postcards, and we sell those all year round also. This set here of 7 postcards went for $2,500. You just can't go wrong with Halloween in general. These are just a touch on the type of items that will sell. 20 of the best ones you could find.
The mind explodes. For the unlucky ones, a straitjacket and a free trip to the booby hatch.
Well, there you go. Hopefully that gave you some thoughts on Halloween. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button down below. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified if I post new content or go live. Subscribe and tell a friend.
See the grisly, macabre marathon of fright and learn your fate. Will it be life or living death?